Hey friends, this is Sean Washburn from YourExcelTutor.com, and you're watching the last video of 30 tips in 30 days. And we've gone through a lot over these days, so I hope if you joined in the middle or even if you're around at the beginning, I hope you go back and check out the tips along the way. There's been a lot that we've covered from all kinds of aspects of Excel, some pretty simple, some more complex, and just to help you out and just kind of recap, we're going to go through a few more points today. So I'm not going to show an actual tip today, just want to talk about Excel in general and how you can use the things that you've learned. So first thing is to try. And the tips we've shown, I know sometimes like I see a video and I may not have a chance to actually try the thing out. So I just want to encourage you to carve out the time to watch one of the videos and then actually try it. Put it into use, put it into practice, and try new things. That's when, if you see something you've never used that, or maybe you haven't used part of that before, try it out, see if it works. Maybe you'll find it's something that you could take or leave it, but just try it. You'll never know until you try. Second one is to ask for help. And this is a big one, and this is what one of my passions with Excel is. I've been using it for about 25 years, and I love to help other people not be intimidated by it, because it can be intimidating. I've been intimidated plenty of times by trying something new, taking the next step. The first time I got into macros and things like that, and that whole world was kind of intimidating. So ask for help. You can, I would love to help you. You can shoot me a message, connect with me however you like, but I want to be able to help answer questions and help you not be afraid to go try that new thing. And there's also tons of help on the internet, so lots of great sites out there, lots of other people using Excel for really cool things. But don't be afraid to ask for help, especially if you're a guy. Guys don't like to ask for help, but ask for help. Third one is share with others. So I'm big on this. We find this in lots of areas of life. If you find out about some sale, or you find out about some great show that's on, or whatever, there's some things that we're great about sharing, and we'll tell everybody about it. And there's other things, maybe we learn it, and maybe we know that it could help other people, but we just never bother to share it. So I want to encourage you, if you found any of these tips useful, and you know anyone else who uses spreadsheets, uses Excel, share it with them. Don't hold it into yourself. Just share that out. Help someone else be able to save time and be more productive and try new things, and be able to improve their skills as well. Fourth one is be a little dangerous. So I just think sometimes you may think like, oh, I don't want to try that because what'll happen? You know what? Make a copy of a file. You're not going to wipe out your whole hard drive or whatever trying some new things. So be a little dangerous. Take some risks, and you'll never know. You might find one of these tips or something else that you find out, and it could be the favorite thing that you found so far, and it might save you tons of time. So be a little dangerous. Try new things that are a little outside of your normal realm. Number 5, keep growing. And this is, I think for any area of life, but especially too, with Excel, as we're talking about Excel things, keep growing, keep improving your skills. A year from now, I hope you're not just able to do the things that you can do right now. I hope that you've gained new skills and you're trying new things, and you're exploring and finding out. Maybe you're sharing things with me that you found out that I can help my own skills with. So keep growing. Let that be something that never stops as long as you're still breathing in air on this earth. And the final one, and this is one of my favorites, is make a difference. This could be, you could do that by sharing with others. You could do that by whatever, encouraging people. But in life, make a difference. And I don't know how you'll use whatever files you're going to use. Maybe you're part of a nonprofit and you're tracking information that's helping, make an impact in some other part of the world. Or maybe this is for your business, and your business is reaching out and helping people and the files and tips that you're going to learn are going to help you do that better. But I'm hoping that the things you learn can help you ultimately make a difference to those around you and make the world a better place. So I feel like that's why we're here, and I hope you'll take me up on these 6 suggestions and 6 tips here. And thanks again for being along for the ride for these 30 tips in 30 days. It's been a blast. I've appreciated the feedback, and if you're new to this and you're just coming in after we've done this, I'd love to hear from you. So reach out to me and leave a comment and let me know how I can help you out. So thanks, and have a great day.